The best way to make money at all is by growing your skill set. And a lot of people believe the only way you can do that is by going to college to get a job or a career that might not be guaranteed at the end. So you don't need college unless you're going to be a lawyer or a doctor. Then definitely go to college. But there's also places like trade schools where you can learn construction or how to be an electrician and other high-paying trade skills that will pay you 6 figures every single year. But what if you're not sure what you want to do, but you know you want to make money doing it? Well, for starters, YouTube is a great place to learn some free skill sets. But the problem with learning free stuff on YouTube is anybody can make a video and show you how to do something, whether or not they are a trained professional or they're just somebody off the street. So what I recommend and how I learned my skills over the years is by going to people who have done exactly what I'm trying to do. I've gone to people who have made 6- and 7-figure businesses, created an online business from scratch, and they show you step by step how to do that through either mentoring or paid courses or even just coaching calls. And there's a lot of great places on the internet besides YouTube and Google that can get you some courses, some online education for very low cost, like Udemy and Skillshare. Udemy is a great place to find courses online for super low prices if you are just getting started. And these courses are not thousands of dollars. Some of them are even hundreds of dollars. They're generally $10 courses, anywhere from business, design, photography, development, marketing, IT and software, personal development, and more. All for the price of 1 month of Netflix. Speaking of Netflix, another great place you can find courses is over at Skillshare.com. Skillshare is a platform where you have access to many different courses for a monthly fee of $15 per month, which is the same as Netflix. And you can have a ton of different categories as well: animation design, illustration, lifestyle, photography and film, business, writing, and many other courses. Again, this is all based off of a $15 per month, and you have access to all of these courses. But let's say you're starting from the bottom of the barrel. You don't have any money to throw together. You don't have 2 pennies to rub together. I'm going to show you how you can get these courses completely for free. But before I do that, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the notification bell so YouTube can let you know the second I have a new video out just for you. Now, when it comes to free courses, there's 4 main places I like to go when it comes to completely free, credible online courses that you can take and learn from people who have actually done what you're trying to do, what skill set you're trying to learn, or even what potential career path you are trying to go down. So without further delay, let's jump right in. All right, the first place you can get your free courses online is by going to discudemy.com, discudemy.com. Now, these are organized based off of language. Since I speak English, I'm going to go right here to free English courses. But if you speak another language, feel free to check out the other language courses. So right here, click on free English courses. Now, these are all the courses that you can get for free. And if you scroll down just a little bit further, they have 370 pages worth of courses that you can check out. Now, it doesn't matter what course, it's going to be completely free once you click on it. So I'm going to show you an example right here, JavaScript programming. If you're interested in programming, you want this course, click right here. Normally this course costs $109 and this is in English, so we're going to scroll down right here and click on Take Course. Then all you have to do is click on this link right here, and voila, this course is free. Again, this course is only free for 2 days. A lot of these courses do expire after some time, so you can either add to cart now or you can just go ahead and enroll. Let me show you what that looks like right now once you've enrolled. You will need to sign in to a Udemy account or create one if you don't already have one. Make sure you put in your zip code and then click on Enroll Now. And there you have it. Access to this completely free Java programming course, beginner to advanced. Click right here to start the course. And it's literally that simple. You can see all the course content is over here on the right, and you have the resources to each of them right here. And that's all you need to do to get free courses for Udemy. Another great place you can get free courses is Musera.org. Musera.org. Just scroll all the way to the bottom. And right here, online classes, there's 283. Click on online classes, and it should take you to this page where they have a bunch of different free courses. Now, Musera generally has courses on business, marketing, and IT. So if you're not interested in any of that, you might want to skip this page. But let's just check out one of their courses right here. Learn Design HTML for free. All you got to do is scroll down and click right here on Enroll Now. Again, just scroll down a little bit further and click right here to redeem coupon. And then just like before, you can either add to cart or go ahead and just click right here to enroll now. Put in your zip code and enroll now. And there you have it. You can start the course right here by clicking Start Course. And just like the other one, all your course content is on the right, the resources tab is right here, and you should be good to go. Now, I don't recommend jumping in a bunch of free courses all at once. I recommend you stick to one specific niche or one specific content at a time. That way you can attain the most amount of knowledge at once instead of just having a whole bunch thrown at you all at once. Another great place you can go is Guru99 right here, guru99.com, and these are all the different lectures and courses that you can jump into for free. Now for me, I need to improve my Photoshop. So let's click right here on Photoshop CC, scroll down just a little bit, and right here, blending modes in Photoshop, click tutorial. Now this isn't a video course. These are step-by-step how-tos on a blog format, but you still can learn how to utilize these tools and softwares just by going to guru99.com. Now the last one is a great place where a lot of courses are hosted, but not a lot of people know about it, is teachable.com. Now, if you've ever bought a course online, more than likely it was hosted on Teachable. But what a lot of people don't realize is there are free courses on Teachable if you go there right now. Just click on courses at the top, and right here as well on the right side, free courses, just click on that button and look at all these courses you can get completely for free. There are hundreds of them, hundreds of courses all added. Now at the very top, check this one out, Smart from Scratch. Basically, start from scratch, but a little play on words, by Matt Flynn. Now, normally this is $250. If you haven't started a business from scratch, check out this course because Pat Flynn knows his stuff and he knows how to start a business. He actually makes hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month passively. Again, free courses are great. Free education is great. However, if you want to get more bang for your buck, as in more ROI for your time, you should always invest in real mentoring, real coaching, real courses from people who have achieved things at a higher level, because free courses generally just include the basics and the introduction, not the step-by-step foundation from point A to point B. They just show you enough to get you started. Take it from me, I have spent thousands of dollars on courses. Some of them were well worth it, some of them were a complete waste of money. But if you think about it, if you spend $100 on a course, a cheap course for $100, which $100 is cheap by the way, but you get no return on investment, 6 to 12 months down the road you make no money, that's $100 down the drain. But if you spend $1,000 on a course and make $10,000 over the next 12 months, is it worth it? Or even $10,000 on a course and earn $100,000 at the end of the year, would it still be worth it for you? When it comes to me and my personal life, I've always wanted to be in films. I wanted to make movies. I wanted to act in them, direct in them, produce them, all that fun stuff. But it is a very, very, very competitive business. And based off of my location, there's not a whole lot of projects going on all year round that I can get into myself. So what I decided to do was jump into YouTube, and I found it very, very lucrative, especially when it comes to fulfilling my need or my want to be on camera, my need to help people, and also me growing my skills when it comes to affiliate marketing. I've actually taken quite a bit of courses on YouTube. I've spent thousands of dollars on YouTube education, and I want to share with you one of the best courses that I've come across, taught by someone almost 10 years younger than me, Matt Parr.
If you give me literally 39 seconds, I'm gonna show you exactly how I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube without ever showing my face, recording videos, or anything like that. It's actually extremely simple. Let me show you how to do it. So what we do is we go to websites like this with completely free stock footage. We download these videos for completely free, just clicking this green button right here. We download these videos and we do a simple voiceover on top of these videos, literally just using a phone. And that's it. As you can see, here's channels literally getting 7 million views a month doing this exact method. Now, if you want to see step-by-step exactly how I do this, and I literally mean step-by-step, we're having a free live class today that you can attend.
Matt Parr's course is actually organized into 7 different modules. The first one being the overview blueprint, which is choosing your niche, planning your content, uploading 33 videos, and then eventually scaling, which is outsourcing all the work so you don't have to do any of it. Again, module 2, choosing your niche. Module 3 is setting up your channel for success. Module 4 is how you actually upload the videos so you can get views. Module 5 is how you can grow your view count, the growth module. Module 6 is monetization, how you can make the most amount of money with your content and how you can make money even if you aren't monetized. And then of course, module 7, which is scaling your channel, hiring a person to do all the content creation for you, including a video creation assembly line. This also includes a bonus of fill in the blank scripts for finding and hiring employees. Again, this is only when you are ready to scale to the point where you're making money with YouTube and you don't have to make the videos yourself. You just get to enjoy the profits. On top of that, you're gonna get instant access to the mastermind group so you can strategize with previous and current students, and even Matt Parr himself. If you have any direct questions, you can get in contact with him inside this mastermind group. And we can't forget about the bonuses. You are gonna get a list of 100+ profitable niches and channel examples so you know what type of content you wanna build around. This also includes fill in the blank script templates so you can basically script and write your videos and content really, really quickly. The best part of all, you are getting a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're interested in checking this out for yourself, click the link in the description or in the comment section and you can check out the free mastermind class. The page looks like this. Once you're inside this page, all you have to do is reserve your seat and fill out your information as soon as it pops up right here. Date, time zone, name, email, and your phone number. And once you're registered, you should have access to the free masterclass momentarily. Yes, it's true, it does take money to make money, especially if you're trying to get from point A to point B faster. But make sure if you are throwing money, if you are investing, that you have a money back guarantee. And Matt Parr's course does have a 60-day money back guarantee, where if you are not satisfied at all within 60 days, you can get a full refund. That's why I like the course, and that's why I think this course would really help you if you are interested in jumping into YouTube and making money online. Again, this is only gonna work if you are serious and an action taker. If you're just trying to get into something simple and easy, this is not gonna be for you. This does require some effort and some of your time and energy to get the ball rolling. That's pretty much it for me today, guys. Make sure you smash that like button or the YouTube algorithm is gonna find you in your bed tonight, in your dreams. Also, my name is Cody McDowell. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, click the notification bell, and as always, I will see you in the next one.